Setting a new benchmark for capability and innovation in augmented reality and mixed reality headsets, the Apple Vision Pro is a groundbreaking product. This is an in-depth analysis of its salient characteristics, functionality, and overall worth. With the svelte and comfortable design of the Vision Pro, Apple has truly excelled. Because it is composed of premium materials that feel premium and sturdy, the headset is extremely lightweight. A key component of a gadget designed for sustained engagement is comfort throughout lengthy usage, which is ensured by the adjustable head strap and customizable fit. With two 8K displays, one for each eye, the Vision Pro offers unmatched visual realism and clarity. The screen door effect is reduced by the high-resolution screens, making for a smooth and engaging experience. Vibrant colors and remarkable brightness levels combine to create visually attractive AR and VR apps. With Apple's most recent M-series processor, the Vision Pro can easily handle demanding programs. Whether you're playing graphically demanding VR games or exploring complex AR worlds, the gadget performs smoothly and without any lag. The incorporation of spatial computing improves responsiveness and realism, making interactions more natural and interesting. Utilizing Apple's experience in designing seamless user experiences, Vision OS is simple to use and intuitive. The voice commands via Siri are responsive, and the gesture controls are accurate. Its smooth interaction with other Apple products creates a unified ecosystem that makes it easy to exchange experiences and data. With several hours of continuous use on a single charge, the battery life is decent. For the majority of applications, this is adequate, but power users may find themselves reaching for the charger sooner. Strong connectivity options include seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth integration, guaranteeing dependable and quick connections for single-user use as well as device pairing. With features like on-device processing for sensitive data and strong encryption mechanisms, Apple has placed a strong emphasis on privacy and security. The local processing of the eye tracking data and other personal data reduces the possibility of unauthorized access. The Apple Vision Pro is priced accordingly and positioned as a high-end gadget. Even while it is unquestionably pricey, early adopters and tech enthusiasts will find value in its cutting-edge technology, smooth interaction with the Apple ecosystem, and potential for a wide range of applications. Technology for Mr. and AR has advanced significantly with the release of the Apple Vision Pro. It differs from rivals with its striking design, potent performance, and smooth user interface. The Vision Pro is an expensive item, but for those who can afford it, it's a cutting-edge tool that expands the possibilities of mixed and augmented reality. Once again, Apple has reinvented a category, and with the Vision Pro, the immersive technology industry is about to see a revolution.